Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're learning English but still feel nervous when speaking, if you understand English, but the words don't flow naturally, or if you start learning English with motivation, but quit after a few weeks, then this video is for you. Today, we're not going to focus on boring grammar rules or endless vocabulary lists. Today's topic is Get Addicted to English: 6 Secrets to Speak Naturally and Confidently. Yes, I said addicted, but in a healthy, fun way. Let's discover these secrets through the story of Peter, an adult just like you. A few years ago, there was a man named Peter. Peter was busy, work, family, responsibilities. Like many adults, he had tried to learn English many times. He bought books. He watched grammar videos. He even joined courses. But every time he tried to speak, his mind went blank. One day, Peter realized something important. Secret 1: Stop studying English. Start living it. Peter understood that English wasn't a school subject. It was a language people actually use in real life. He started living with English, listening while cooking or driving, watching short English videos before bed. English became part of his life, not a chore. Secret 2: Small daily habits beat big motivation. Peter stopped saying, "I'll study English for 2 hours." Instead, he said, "I'll spend 10 minutes every day with English." Just 10 minutes. No stress. Over time, English became a natural part of his day. Secret 3: Don't translate. Feel the language. At first, Peter translated every sentence into his native language, slow and tiring. Then he started to feel English instead of translating it. When he heard, "I'm exhausted," he imagined a tired body. He felt the meaning, not just words. Secret 4: Speak imperfectly, but speak. Peter waited for perfect English. But perfect English never came. One day, he decided, "I'll speak, even with mistakes." And something surprising happened: people understood him. Mistakes didn't stop communication. Silence did. Secret 5: Stories are more powerful than rules. Peter didn't like grammar rules. But he loved stories. He learned English through short stories, real conversations, and everyday situations. Words stayed in his memory. Grammar started making sense naturally. Secret 6: Enjoy the process, not the result. Finally, Peter stopped chasing fluency. He celebrated small victories, understanding a sentence, speaking one line correctly. And one day, without even noticing, English felt natural. He wasn't forcing himself. He was addicted, in the best way. English isn't something you fight with. It's something you build a relationship with. Start small. Listen daily. Speak without fear. Learn through stories. One day, you won't say, "I'm learning English." You'll say, "English is part of my life." If you enjoyed Peter's story, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and listen every day, even for just a few minutes. Remember, consistency creates confidence. And confidence creates fluency. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.